YouTube? It's your boy Stu back with another one. Bruh, so this video I did like a while back, so I'm not really sure all like what went on, but I'ma just roll the clip. Y'all watch the clip. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Stu. I'm back with another one, and I know y'all been hearing the news, bro. I know y'all heard about JK Distro, so will this be the last pack? I don't know. I got some stuff I'm gonna review right here, or open I should say. I'm gonna unbox it just to let y'all in, let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of backstory again about the situation. As y'all know, JK Distro is down and they're not shipping. It's been about a weekend, like a week and 2 days for real. They announced it last Tuesday they was gonna be shut down, and we never heard from them since. Creators, we never heard from the staff. I heard the staff got fired. Content creators, some having to go back to regular 9 to 5s, and it's just been crazy, bro. It's just been super crazy. But yeah, I've been trying to get more information. I still haven't heard from them, as I've been constantly trying to reach out. I'm trying to get info for y'all, but it might be cooked, bro. We might be cooked. I don't know. That's what everybody's saying. Everybody been in my comments, been on my TikTok, on my Instagram, they just been saying, bro, we cook. So we might really be cooked. I don't know. But yeah, we got these last few boxes, so I will do some unboxing with that just to show y'all. This might be the last pack we ever get from JK Distro, you know what I'm saying? And I really had more boxes than this. I do have this big box. Y'all know the infamous red sticker. I'ma miss this red sticker, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'ma really miss this red sticker, bro. And I got two little boxes. This one I ordered recently. This was actually the last pack, bro. Like, this was real live, the last pack. Like, this came in like last week because I ordered some, and I was like, I had a lot of store credit. Like, I had a bunch of store credit because, as y'all know, I do reviews for them. So I had a bunch of store credit. I was like, let me order some stuff because some stuff had just dropped, and I like getting strands when they fresh. You know, that's the best time to get them, when they first drop. So I was like, okay, I'm finna get that. I didn't really know this was gonna be the last box, bro. That's crazy. But Kobe, yeah, I will get into some of this for y'all just to let y'all see. But yeah, bro, it's kind of been like, man, like, it was legendary, bro. It was legendary status while it lasted, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of other people, they got more opportunity. Like, they actually got to like go out to Cali and actually see the warehouse and see all of this. And like, I know a lot of people gonna be on this video, and a lot of people was telling me, oh, why you, like, it's JK. Everybody knew they was bad. Everybody, you know, like all the JK hate I be seeing on Reddit and all that. But like, some people like the company, like some people love the company. Like, the company you think is like goated, like way better than JK, that was some people JK Distro, you know what I'm saying? So like, just to be fair, you know what I'm saying, like, I just do it out of that, you know. It's not really all about me and my experience. I did have some bad experiences with them. I did have some good experiences with them, you know. It's all, everything is yin and yang, you know. So like, I just want to provide that for the people who did love them, the people who want to see them back. This might be the last thing. We might really be cooked, bro. I don't know. I have no idea if we are, but yeah, we're just finna go through these right quick, get these unboxed, and y'all stay tuned. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're looking at this right now. Man, RIP JK Distro. But let's get into these boxes. My heart go out to all of the people that didn't get their refund. No, that's the worst part, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the worst, bro, because you pay for a product you wanted, you know what I'm saying? No matter if the company is shut down or what. Oh, look, bro, look like we got some merch in here. Dang, bro. Dang, bro, we do got some merch in here. What's this? This a hoodie, bro. This a hoodie, bro. Dang. RIP, man. RIP, man. We got us a nice little, cool little hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Got the JK right there. I'm sure it's pretty simple. They don't really do a lot with their packaging. I don't see anything else. This is like the only hit, but it is like embroidered, as y'all can see. It's like real embroidery, man. I'ma keep this. This is gonna be a nice little piece. We sad to see them go, bro. And I'ma assume this is an ambassador box. This is one of their ambassador boxes, you know. Ooh, we got that. You see, that's how it's gonna look when you open it. Well, that's how it would have looked when y'all open it. But yeah, we got some. Ooh, we got some goodies in here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let's see. We got some Blue Line pre-rolls. But yeah, bro, this a nice, cool box, bro. This a nice box. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We got some pre-rolls. I want to say this is Gelato 33. Is that what that is? Yep. Gelato 33 on the pre-rolls. We got us a liquid diamond boutique switch. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, this Tropicana Gelato and Baja Blast. Bro, I was going to order this, I swear, bro. I was going to order it. I was looking at that one. What is this? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I got some live rosin, bro. Sour diesel. Some sour diesel live rosin. You can see right there. Okay. I got me a bottle opener, or yeah, a bottle opener. I was gonna say can opener, but it's a bottle opener. This crazy, bro. It's a big bottle opener, bro. That's crazy. I also got a pack of some flour. I got some Cali Durban Poison and some Pack Mule. These are the red label, 7 grams. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna miss these, bro. $8 for these, like this used to be a steal, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, $8 for a 7. You couldn't get it nowhere else, I ain't gonna lie. And we got this cool grinder right here, you feel what I'm saying? Nice little orange little grinder. I'm gonna use this, I ain't gonna lie, cause I like these little 2-piece grinders. I don't really care for all the Keef collectors, cause you know, they just take it all away from your tree, you know what I'm saying? So that's cool. Ooh, we got some more gummies. We got some more gummies. I can get these to my mom. She really loved these, bro. Like, she loved gummies and she loved these from JK. She was just asking me when I was gonna get some more, and I was telling her about like the whole company, like everything that was going on. She was sad, I ain't gonna lie. She's like, man, I really like their products, as a lot of y'all did, you know. We got a ashtray right here. This cool because it's like a tabletop ashtray. Let me go ahead and open it. This like a tabletop ashtray, but it's silicone. It's like a silicone ashtray, but it's like a cool little tabletop. You know, I can put that on the desk, and you got the JK emblem in there, right there. You know what I'm saying? You do have a lighter. They did give a lighter this time with the lighter leash. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. You got another embroidery patch. You know, if you want to throw this on a bag or whatever it may be. And we got another sticker, Cali Rooted. RIP JK Distro, man. RIP JK Distro, man. So now we're gonna get into this next box. I'm about to take my address off so I can show y'all this, bro. This is crazy, bro. I can't even believe this. Like, this is how long I had this pack. I be labeling all my stuff, you feel what I'm saying? But like, I had this so long, the stuff is like, it's like just coming off, bro. But this is the last pack I'm gonna open. I'm not gonna open all 3 of them just because I like to keep it vacuum sealed and retain the freshness, because like I said, I can't get from them for a while. So I'm gonna still do reviews and stuff like that with them. I might mention the company, I might not, I don't know, but I'm gonna still do strain reviews, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna waste the strain, I'm gonna still review it, you know what I'm saying? And then we got us a cool little, you know, the standard little box. You know, you get your little your notice, and you also get your informational paper with all the paperwork on it and stuff. You get your free sample. I'm gonna miss these free samples, I ain't gonna lie, bro. These free samples was holding us together. It's that do-si-do, you feel what I'm saying? Got some of that do-si-do. Ooh, is this some more rosin? It is. We got some Fruity Pebbles, bro. Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, I remember when I ordered this box. This got some cool stuff in it, and I got, you know what I'm saying, I had got a lot. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like this was all purple label. No, I got one red label. They might have just sent this one. I knew I got some purple label, but like I said, I'm not gonna break the seal on them and open them. So I'm gonna just go ahead and read it off the list, because your list do tell you everything that you got, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got a 7-gram purple label Devil's Driver. We got a 7 gram of the double stuffed Oreos, which is also purple label. We got 7 gram of the sugar cookies. I've been wanting to try that, bro, the sugar cookies. We got a 7-gram bag of the gumdrops. I tried those once, they was cool. We got 1 gram Fruity Pebbles, purple label, rosin. 7-gram bag of Blue Meter, that's purple label also. 7-gram bag of the Blackout Berries, which is also indoor, purple label. And a 7-gram bag of the Peach Ring. So we got us some nice little flavors, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got us some nice little, yeah, you know, we got the little pack right here. And we got the little box, you know what I'm saying? Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This was a fun run. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, we might be cooked, bro. This might be the last we've seen from JK Distro. So I'm very sorry just on my behalf, because I know I'm an ambassador and I allow y'all to see this content and go shop. I'm sorry on my behalf for all those people who didn't get a refund. I know it's not entirely my fault. I just want to apologize to y'all because that's a bad place to be in, you know, like especially everybody at work now, you know, that might have been some of y'all last money. Y'all went buy that thinking, boom, I'm about to get right, and then, you know what I'm saying, you don't get your money back or your product. So I'm just sorry about that for y'all. Like I said, I will be keep on doing reviews. This not gonna stop nothing. I am plugged in with some other companies. Some just reached out to me being on this whole situation, so we're gonna have a lot coming soon, bro. Like I said, I just want to thank y'all for tapping in, always subscribing, always tapping in with your boy Stu, you know what I'm saying? I do have a new TikTok for the gaming. It's not a new TikTok, but I just changed the name. I'm put all the information down below, down there, or on the screen. Y'all be sure to follow those links up there. Like I said, man, thank y'all for being tapped in and tuned in with your boy Stu. We got a lot more coming soon. Y'all stay tuned, stay tapped in, like, subscribe, comment. Peace. Alright, so now that y'all seen all that, bro, it's really crazy because that's not even like all the lore to it. Like, I'm gonna put some more stuff right here, bro. Y'all go watch this video, like, because I know a lot of people been wondering about JK, and like people just been coming out and exposing like everything, you know what I'm saying? It's really crazy, like how it worked for real. Like, it's really been like just nuts, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like it's been like super crazy. But yeah, y'all be sure to go watch this video. And I've been on Reddit a lot, I've been looking, so it seems like we officially cooked. Like, JK Distro is not coming back, so it's sad to say, bro. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in, tapping in. Y'all been consistent, y'all been sharing my posts. I got like 2K posts on my JK video. That was crazy, bro. I mean, I said 2K posts, I'm in 2K views. I'm just like rambling a lot. But yeah, bro, it looked like we cooked, but it's a lot more to come in the future. Like, there's a lot more stuff that is gonna come out. Like, there's other companies, and I'm gonna update y'all. I will look for companies that's like kind of match their prices and their quality, cause like amidst all the hate and all the backlash and all the stuff, like, they was wrong for what they did. Oh man, it's just a lot, bro. But like I said, people love them, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be doing a video on different companies that have similar products at a similar price point, because I see that's what a lot of people been asking for under my comments. So y'all stay tapped in, stay tuned in. I want to thank y'all for joining. Love y'all always. Your boy Stu World. Peace.